I want to talk about manifesting your goals and your dreams in the context of a keyframe. Now, if you're an animator or a video editor, you know what keyframes are. And in order to talk about this life hack in the context of keyframes, we have to first talk about what a keyframe is. A keyframe is basically 2 points in relation to each other. So for instance, let's say you have text and you want the text in a video or animation to move from point A to point B. In the software, you program the keyframe to say this is where the text A starts and this is where the text is going to end. It's really simple on software terms. You just pick 2 points. You pick the first location and you pick the second location, and the software is going to process the information in between to make it move from point A to point B. There's relatively no thinking on the user of the program, right? You don't have to meticulously move the text each frame. You just pick the 2 endpoints and the computer processing does the rest. In terms of a life hack and achieving your goals and your dreams, I like to think of where you are now as point A and then where you want to be as point B. Now, a lot of people get hung up on the in between. They get hung up on the how, and it almost can seem that you, without that part figured out, you can't really get to your end goal. You can't get to the keyframe, the last keyframe of your goal. What I'm here to tell you is, if you know where you are and you know where you want to be, and you keep that keyframe in mind, meaning you know what it is, you feel that you are there already. Think about it in the present tense. You feel it, you know it, you act as if you've achieved it already. That's really how you program that keyframe, right? So remember, when we talk about the video editing, all you have to do is tell the computer where point A is and where point B is, and it's going to do all the rest in between. When it comes to life and manifesting what you want, your present is keyframe A. That's where you are right now. You know where you want to be. You know where keyframe B is. All you have to do is feel that, think that, know that, act as if it is in the now, and the universe is going to do all the processing in between. Now, there may be action, there may be opportunity that presents itself that you do have to act upon, right? So whereas with the video editing, the software does everything in between and does a calculation. It works the same way in real life, but there's also going to be opportunity. Something can drop on your lap. There's going to be some action that you need to take part in, and those will come, but you have to have your keyframe programmed, right? That's the only way those opportunities are going to come and show themselves to you, if your keyframe is programmed right in your life, what you want to do. In that context, think of any future goal as a keyframe. It could be 6 months, it could be a year, it could be 2 years, it could be 5 years. As long as you got that keyframe set and you're manifesting it and you feel it, you know it, you are it, you think it in the present tense, the universe is going to fill in the gaps and you will find yourself there. I've done this many times in my own life, but tell me what you think. If you agree, disagree, let me know what you think. Peace.